Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nabila Khairunnisa. I am a student of Informatics Engineering at Pamulang University. Today, I want to show you how to make a temperature converter program with Java. First of all, I would like to explain a little bit about Java. Java is popular programming language that is versatile and free to use. It can be used for various purposes such as game development, cloud computing, big data, artificial intelligence, IoT or Internet of Things, and many more. So, let's get started to make the program. To begin, I will be using Apache NetBeans to create the program. I will create a new Java project and name it into temperature converter. Next, I will add a new Java class which will be JFrameForm and give it the same name as our project. This is where we will be developing our project. The second step is to design the user interface. Here, I add a panel and change the color to make it look beautiful. Next, I will set title for the program. The title is Temperature Converter by Nabila, and I change the font to Times New Roman bold. I add another panel for the body of the application and a label to explain to the user how to use this app. Then, I add a text field where the user can input the temperature in Celsius. Don't forget to add a convert button as well. I add more labels to display the converted temperature. Lastly, I add two more buttons for the clear and exit functions. Make sure to change the variable names to make coding easier. To start coding the program, we need to add an action performed event for the convert button. This event will make an action if the button is clicked. Inside the convert button function, we can add some logic here. We will retrieve the input temperature data entered by user using the getText method and store it into a variable called Celsius. Next, we will declare a new variables to store the converted temperature values for Kelvin, Fahrenheit, and Reamer. Here are the formulas for converting the temperature. The final step in this function is to display the converted temperatures in their respective levels using setText method. Moving on, let's add action performed to the clear button. When this button is clicked, we want to clear all the labels and the text field so that the user can perform another confession. Lastly, for the exit button, we can call the dispose method to close this program when it's clicked. The last step is run the program. Right-click and select Run Program. Here, you can enter a temperature in Celsius, then click the convert button, and the program will display it into another temperature unit. In conclusion, we have successfully walked through the process of creating a temperature converter program. We have learned how to design the user interface, implement the conversion logic, and add functionality to the buttons. By following these steps, now you can create your own temperature converter application. Remember, programming is all about problem solving and creativity. With practice and continuous learning, you will become more proficient in coding and develop more advanced application. I hope this tutorial have been informative and helpful in expanding your programming skills. Remember to keep practicing, asking questions, and seeking further knowledge. The possibilities in the word programming are endless. Thank you for joining me on this video. Happy coding, and may your future programming be successful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.